Okay, now we're going to install the switch on the pneumatic motor. You can tell I have the longer part sticking up so it protects the person's fingers from getting caught behind the switch. So you'll see there is a pin, and inside of your switch there is there are two holes, and basically what you want to do is the smooth side. See, there's also a little spline side, but the smooth side is going to go on that side of the motor. So we simply put the switch on and slide the pin through. Now you can make sure that you're lined up and take a little hammer and hammer it down.